What are you doing, Dylan?
I'm networking. I couldn't find a way to cut the cable, so I thought I'd burn it, Robert. It's burning. This'll cut the cable, right? Man, these cables are really strong. Man, I wish I had an admin to tell me how to do this.
That's...
Is this how you cut the cable, Brian?
no.
Are you sure?
Positive.
It's really starting to look black. I think it's about to separate. Oh, I have a backup way to cut it. Is it supposed to smell like burning plastic, Robert? It's not cutting. Oh, it's becoming weak. Yes! Now I can cut the beast. I left the tip perfect for you, Robert. You can attach a cable end to this. Oh, fuck, it's hot. It's still smoldering. Perfect. I got it, Robert. I ran the cable and I even color coded it because I'm retarded.
Dikes!
Is that what I was supposed to use?
Dikes!
What? That's not a dike.
It's a dike.
That's... Oh, because it's scissors.
Yeah.
Oh.
Scissors meet timber.